Hi, good day. For today's video, we will be talking about how to fix Facebook Live events not showing on your profile. So let's get you started. From your Facebook homepage, upper right hand corner of the screen, go to account, then this should pop up. Click on help and support. Then this three options should load and we need to click on report a problem. This menu pop-up should come up and click on something went wrong. Let us know about a broken feature. Kindly read what's showing on the screen. Then once you agree, click on include and report. Now this is a form that we will be needing to follow in order for us to report this specific issue. So how can we improve? Choose an area since we'll be talking about not showing live events on your profile. Click on that. Then kindly include this message. I don't have the live events showing on my profile. Please resolve. Oh, sorry about that. Showing. I did not notice because I'm not looking at my screen. So please resolve the issue as soon as possible. There we go. Now, if you do have a screenshot not showing or a video, this is highly recommended and hit submit. Let us know if you have ideas that can help us make your service better. If you need help resolving, so let's hit submit. So let's just give them some time to resolve the issue. I'm not really sure how long will it take, but in order for you to check, you can simply go to your profile and check it from time to time. So that's it. I hope you learned something from me today. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.